Welcome to the Virtual Lead Auditor training course on ISO 9001-2015. In today's video, we will talk about Lesson 2, Overview of Quality Management Systems. In this video, you will learn Overview of Quality Management Systems, Definition and Purpose of QMS, Key Elements of QMS in the Garments Industry, Benefits of a Functional QMS, QMS Documentation, Real-World Example. So, what exactly are we trying to achieve with this lesson? Our objectives are simple. First, to help you understand the core components of a quality management system. And second, to show you how a QMS plays a critical role in maintaining product and process consistency, especially in garments factories, where quality and deadlines are everything. Now, let's begin with the basics. A quality management system, or QMS, is a structured set of policies, procedures, and processes. It covers all aspects of production and service, from planning and operations to delivery and feedback. The purpose of a QMS is to ensure continuous improvement and meet customer requirements consistently. In short, a QMS helps you deliver the right product, at the right time, with the right quality every single time. Now, let's look at the key elements of a QMS, especially in the context of the garments industry. It starts with a clear quality policy and well-defined quality objectives. Processes must be properly documented so that everyone is aligned. Workers need to be trained and competent, because no system can succeed without skilled people. Quality must be controlled at every stage: cutting, sewing, finishing, not just at the end. And finally, internal audits and management reviews ensure that the system is working and improving continuously. These elements form the backbone of a successful QMS. What are the real benefits of a functional QMS? First, it standardizes operations. Everyone follows the same procedures, reducing variation. Second, it increases traceability and accountability, so it's easier to track and fix problems. Third, it reduces defects and rejections, leading to better buyer satisfaction and fewer complaints. In the competitive garments market, this kind of system gives your factory a strong advantage. Now, let's talk about QMS documentation, a critical area for auditors. The quality manual gives a high-level overview of the entire system. SOPs, or Standard Operating Procedures, define how work should be done consistently. Work instructions give detailed steps for specific tasks or operations. And finally, you have forms and records, like inspection checklists, non-conformance reports, and CAPA forms, that capture actual data. These documents must be controlled, regularly updated, and accessible to those who need them. Let me share a real-world example. A knit factory in Narayanaganj had frequent delays and poor quality scores. After implementing well-structured SOPs aligned with its QMS, the factory saw a 20% increase in on-time deliveries. This simple improvement helped them regain trust from international buyers and reduce shipment rejections. It's a clear example of how a well-applied QMS can transform operations. Here's a quick activity and a homework task for you. You'll review an example SOP from the finishing section. Your task is to identify which QMS elements are being addressed in that document. Thank you for joining this training session. We hope you learn a lot from this course. Please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for updates. See you in Lesson 3, the 7 Quality Management Principles.